In this video, we will show you how to use your Gmail with Capsule. This will enable you to store and track email conversations without leaving your inbox and effortlessly add new contacts, tasks, cases, or opportunities. Storing emails in Capsule means that you and your coworkers always have a complete and up-to-date view of all communication you've had with your customers. It helps you to provide a better service and make sure no one misses a beat. Gmail is a fantastic tool for email, and we've built our add-on to complement its functionality, making it quick and easy to get your emails into Capsule without switching back and forth between the apps. Here's how it works. To install the add-on for Gmail, log into your Gmail account. Click on the settings cog in the top right-hand corner, and then click the option to get add-ons. In the search box, start typing Capsule for Gmail, select the auto-completion of this search term, and then click on the resulting tile. When the new window appears, click the Install button to start the installation. You may need to grant permission for the install. Click Continue, then choose an account to use, and grant access to Gmail for Capsule. Finally, select the Allow button for the installation to complete. You'll know you were successful when the Capsule for Gmail installed dialog box appears. Once installed, Gmail will show a little capsule icon in the panel on the right-hand side, and when you're viewing an email message, you can click on the add-on, just like so, to expand the options. The first thing you'll need to do when you've installed the add-on is connect it to your Capsule account. Click the button to connect your Capsule account. Enter your site address, and then allow Gmail to access your Capsule account. Once done, you're now ready to store your first email. Here I've selected an email for a brand new contact. You'll see that the add-on shows all of the contacts in the email conversation, and here it indicates that this is a brand new contact. Click on the contact to choose if you'd like to create it as a person or an organization. If you think it already exists, but perhaps under a different name or email address, then you can use the option to find in Capsule. I'll choose to add them as a person. Here you'll see the name and email address already pre-populated, and you can then add more details if you'd like. Let's now put in a job title as we have this information available. We can also connect our contact directly to the relevant organization and add other contact information if available. Don't worry if you might not have all the customer's details at the moment. You can update at a later stage when they are stored in Capsule. Once you're happy with the details, click the button to save or save and store conversation, and you're all done. If you choose to store the conversation, then the email will be stored on that contact, and any future emails sent and received in that same conversation will also be stored on that very same contact in your Capsule account. We can also now jump directly to the Capsule profile for our new customer by clicking View in Capsule. Storing emails isn't all you can do with the add-on. If you receive an email from a contact that already exists in your account, then you'll have all of their contact details visible right there in Gmail, ready to be referenced when you reply, for example. Emails can also be used to create tasks for your contacts. You can quickly add these by clicking here on Add Task. This can be a great method for saving time, and it could be useful to create a task based on an email that you may have received. For example, if a customer confirms a time for a call, with the add-on you can add that to your calendar with just a few clicks. This works exactly the same as creating a task within Capsule. Enter a description, a date time, and a category. We can also change the owner of the task if it may be relevant. Now save. That's how simple it is to action. Another benefit you can take advantage of is the ability to file your email away under a case or sales opportunity that you already have linked to the contact. If you're new to Capsule and don't quite understand what cases or opportunities are, then please don't worry. We have plenty of other resources available which can help you with that. For now, let me show you how the Gmail add-on can be useful in this area. If the email is for a brand new sales opportunity, or if it may relate to a new project, then you can create a sales opportunity or a case right from within Gmail. It's really easy and will help you save time. Let's just say we would like to create a new sales opportunity. Similar to what we just actioned with our task creation, click Add Opportunity. We would then record the necessary details: name, description if applicable, expected value, current milestone, expected close date, and we can apply a track or tag and change the opportunity owner if necessary. Once we're happy with all the details, click Save, and voila! We have created a brand new opportunity for our contact. It doesn't end there, however. The Capsule add-on for Gmail can be used from the Gmail mobile app as well. Once installed, you'll see it available in the add-on section in the Gmail app, ready to be used on the go and without interrupting your workflow. If you're not a Gmail user, we have other options available for storing your emails within Capsule. We recommend checking out our online resources in this area. That's a quick video to show the advantages of using Capsule along with the Gmail add-on to easily store your email conversations, create actions, and have an overview of contact information without needing to leave your inbox. If you need more help with this or anything else, please head over to our support pages for more articles and videos, or contact our friendly support team, and we'll be happy to help get you going.